take a look at this multiple choice question from farhatlectures.com. In 2025, Jonathan, a U.S. citizen, opens a high-yield savings account but neglects to provide his Social Security to the bank despite multiple requests. Because the bank does not have a valid tax identification number on file, they must legally begin backup withholding on his interest earning. What percentage of Jonathan's interest payment must the bank withhold and remit to the IRS? Now, if you don't know what backup withholding are, you could ask the AI, explain this topic for me on Farhat Lectures. Otherwise, if you know the answer, what's the answer? For U.S. citizen and resident alien, the backup withholding is 24, not 30. The 30 is for international. Think of non-U.S. citizen, non-resident alien. Make sure you're aware of that. Now, if you want further explanation about the answers, you can ask the AI to explain it or create a similar MCQ about backup withholding. What should you do now? Whether you are a CPA exam candidate, enrolled agent, accounting student, Farhat Lectures is the place to go to. Lectures, podcasts, multiple choice, AI tools. Invest in yourself. That's the best investment. Don't gamble. Stay safe.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.